So let me show you how I lost about 153 US dollars on this GBPUSD trade right here from start to finish. Let me break down everything that I did. All right, so make sure you watch to the very end as I show you everything. All right, so you can just see this right now, but let me show you what was happening on the higher time frame. So let's do some multiple time frame analysis, and let me show you what was happening overall. So if you do zoom out all the way, you go to the daily time frame, you're going to realize that we've been experiencing a downtrend on GBP USD until recently. We've seen the market now start to push to the upside, but overall, we've seen the market being bearish for a long time. Therefore, I was looking for selling opportunities. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you're able to see something right here. You can see that right now we had a nice rally-based drop supply zone made up of big momentum candles, right? You can see that these were big momentum candles. And obviously, when the market comes such areas, we expect some sort of movement or reaction. So I was looking to take advantage of that when the market came to my level. As you can see, the market literally came to our area right there. So let me show you. So you can see that initially we had this tap right here. We had this touch into our area, this touch right here, and then this caused a bit of movement to the downside. So like I always say, I don't just enter right here when the market has tapped into your area. What do? You actually go to the lower time frame. So let me just show you. We went to the 5 minute time frame, and what happened? We can see that as the market was coming to this area, it was putting up higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. And we had this touch right here into our area of value, which was in the higher time frame. This is the supply zone. However, this is a big of a supply zone. Initially, it was about 15 pips, about 15 pips. So what I did was, once the market came into my area, I waited for a reaction. You can see the market reacted right here and then pushed the downside. So what I did wait for was for a break of structure. And if you can go to the 1 minute time frame, you'll be able to appreciate that even more. So you can see that on the 1 minute time frame, we're having this nice high, higher low, high, higher low, high, higher low, higher high. And then the market did what? Broke this previous higher low right here. Okay, so you can see that once that happened, I was like, okay, so that's a significant change of market direction because this broke this level right here. Apart from that, we also saw the market breaking this level right here. Apart from this, it also broke this low right here. Apart from this, we also saw the market actually break this low right here. So that gave me a lot of confidence because the market had actually showed me that it has potentially changed the market direction. Okay, and then what did I do? I waited for the market to pull back into this area. Like I always say, you wait for the market to pull back into your zone. You can see the market did just that. And once the market came into our area, I was able to take a confirmed entry, which the market actually kind of reacted. You can see that the market started to move in our direction. It pushed. However, it slightly just took out the low here. And then guess what happened? The market ended up going against us and we were taken out for a loss. And you can see from here, this is where we're able to actually send the signal right here to enter where the market was returning to this level, right to this area right here. So I waited for the market to pull back into this after breaking these structures right there. And then it was a 5 pip stop loss and the 100 pip target, making it about a 1 to, let me see, about a 1 to 20 risk reward ratio. Unfortunately, this trade ended up losing and I lost about $150 on this particular trade, and I was potentially going to make about 20 times that. All right, so you can see this is exactly what happened. You can see that the market was, I was expecting the market to react from this level right here. Why? Because this formed a really big nice momentum candle right there. It formed a really nice POI. If you check on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is nice. It's a very nice POI right there. However, even the very best of setups will not work. Therefore, I always emphasize risk management because you can do everything. The market can meet all your criteria. However, that particular trade can still fail. So that's the reason why I always emphasize, make sure that you are following your strategy, make sure that you know exactly how much you're willing to lose on a trade by trade basis, because you don't know what's going to happen. The market was actually moving in our direction. If you see from here, the market had actually gone about, let me just see, about 1 to 2.5 risk reward ratio. Others, that would have been all, right? But for me to go break even, I need to see the market breaking this low right here, closing below that. That's when I can actually move my stop loss to break even. But the market didn't give me that opportunity to do that. So the goal here is to make sure that you follow your strategy every time, guys. Always do that, and then make sure that you are always predefining the risk of every trade. Know exactly how much you're standing to lose on that particular trade, and keep on executing, because no one knows when that big winning trade is going to come. No one knows when that losing trade is going to come, or that series of losing trades are going to come. No one knows. So it's the matter of executing, 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 executing. At the end of the day, over a larger sample size, you are going to be profitable as long as you have a strategy that has been proven to be profitable over time. So that's how it is, guys. So I'll show you right here. So this was my loss on USD and everything. So yeah, basically I just hope that you pick up something from here, because this is very important. And of course most people don't talk about this because they are uncomfortable to talk about. But unfortunately, this is the reality of trading. You're going to take losing trades, you're going to take winning trades. You're going to have a series of losing trades, you're also going to have a series of winning trades. So it's all part of the game. All right, so I hope you found value. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.